Yeah. Cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if he did it, he'll do it again. God has been too good to me.
Life can feel very heavy sometimes, can it? I know this feeling deep in my bones. I have felt that weight settle right on my chest, making each breath feel like a struggle. I have felt so tired, so small in the face of everything that needs to be done. It's that feeling like you are walking through thick mud, and every single step takes all the energy you have. You look at the day ahead, and it feels like a mountain you just don't have the strength to climb. Today, I want to talk to you, friend to friend. I want to tell you what helps me when that weight comes. I will share it in 3 easy steps. Breathe, break, build. Before we even start, let's just take a moment together, right here, right now. Put your hand over your heart or on your belly, whichever feels right to you. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Let's take one slow, deep breath together. In through your nose, filling up your lungs, and now a long, slow sigh out through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Feel that? That is you giving yourself a single moment of peace. That is where we begin. We begin by simply noticing our own breath, by coming back to our own body. It's a small anchor in the middle of a swirling storm. This feeling of being overwhelmed is not a sign that you are weak. It is a sign that you have been strong for too long. You have been carrying so much, maybe for yourself, maybe for others. Your mind is racing with all the lists, the worries, the what ifs. Your body is tense, holding on tight. It's a human response to having too much on your plate. What I want to offer you today is not a magic solution to make it all disappear. Instead, a gentle path back to yourself to lighten the load one small piece at a time. It all starts with these 3 simple words. So stick with me for a few minutes. Let's walk through this together. We will start with the simplest tool you own, your breath. Then we will talk about the power of taking a real break, a moment of true rest. And finally, how to build a small, manageable plan to move forward step by tiny step. You don't have to fix everything at once. You just have to take the next right step. Be here. Breathe. You've already done that. You are already on your way. Let's talk about that first step. Breathe. When life feels heavy and the world is spinning too fast, our breath is the first thing to go. It becomes shallow and quick. Our body gets the signal there is danger, that we need to fight or run. Your heart starts to race. Your mind jumps from one worry to the next, like a frantic monkey swinging from branch to branch. But your breath, my friend, is the bridge back to calm. It is a powerful tool you carry with you everywhere you go. It is simple, it is always available, and it is absolutely free. I want you to try a simple practice with me right now. You can do this sitting down or standing up, wherever you are. Place one hand on your belly. Breathe in through your nose for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and breathe out through your mouth for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Did you feel that? Did you feel how your belly moved under your hand? Did you notice your shoulders starting to relax even just a little? This simple act does something amazing inside your body. The long exhale tells your nervous system that you are safe. It slows down your racing heart. It gives your busy, worried mind a pause, a little bit of space. The goal isn't to solve everything, just to create a little room. That's all. You can use this simple breathing exercise anytime, anywhere, in line at the store, lying awake at night, sitting in your car before going inside. It only takes a minute or two. Think of it as hitting reset. It won't erase the screen, but it stops the frantic loop. It creates room for a kinder thought and your next small intentional action. Now for our second step, break. When life feels heavy, our instinct is to push harder. We tell ourselves to do more, be stronger, keep going no matter what. If we outrun the weight, we'll be okay. But we just get more tired. The weight gets heavier. Taking a break is not giving up or being lazy. A real intentional break is one of the smartest, most strategic things you can do. A break rests your body and helps you see more clearly. It can be small, 5 minutes, a cup of tea without multitasking, watching the clouds, listening to a single song you love. It can be as simple as saying, "I need a minute," and stepping away. These small pauses sustain you and make your work more effective. Our world celebrates busy, but your well-being matters more than your to-do list. A break is an act of self-respect. Look at your day. Where can you carve out 5 minutes, not to scroll, but to truly disconnect, to breathe, to just be? Taking a break also means learning to say one of the hardest words, no. When you're overwhelmed, every yes is another stone in a heavy bag. Saying no is difficult. We don't want to disappoint people. We want to be helpful and reliable, but your energy is finite. It is not a bottomless well. You don't have to do everything for everyone. You have the right to protect your peace and your energy. Try this. I wish I could help with that, but I can't take on anything new right now. Or thank you for thinking of me, but my plate is too full at the moment. You don't need a long explanation. A simple, honest no is enough. Another part, ask for help. It's brave. It shows you know your limits and trust others. Say, "I am feeling so overwhelmed today. Could you sit with me?" Or, "I'm not okay today. Can you handle dinner? Today is a heavy day for me." Think of your energy like a bank account. Tasks and worries withdraw. Rest, breaks, and help are deposits. Make one small deposit today. I want to share a story from a time I felt that heavy weight myself. Work was relentless. I felt like I was failing on all fronts. I worked from wake to late night. I was exhausted, irritable, dreading mornings. I couldn't breathe properly. I kept pushing until one afternoon I hit a wall and just started to cry. I knew I couldn't go on like that. I closed my laptop, put on my shoes, and walked out without a plan. I ended up at a small park and found an empty bench. I just sat for 1 full hour, a complete break. I didn't check my phone. I didn't try to solve anything. I watched the world go by. Children playing, dogs walking, leaves rustling. I practiced breathing in and out. I ate slowly, noticing every bite. My problems didn't disappear. The deadlines remained, but something shifted. The weight felt lighter, my mind clearer. I could choose one small next thing. We have breathed. We have taken a break. Now build. Build sounds big, but think of it gently. Build means making one small move forward. Don't stare at the peak. Look at the ground right in front of you. What is one small step you can take? Name one small thing for today. Make it almost silly. Wash one dish, open a window, make one phone call, send one email, choose one, do it. Then notice that you did it. Set a gentle rule, 25 minutes on, 10 minutes break, or one small act of care. A warm shower, a chapter of a book, keep a small wins list, one line each night, even tiny counts. Building is tied to our sense of hope. Hope isn't a lightning bolt. It's built one small win at a time. Each tiny step, each little task completed is a building block of hope. A message to yourself: I can do this. I can handle this. I am capable. Your mind may scream, one dish won't fix anything. And that's true, but that's not the point. The point is to break the frozen cycle and prove you can move. If you can move a little today, you can move a little tomorrow. A woman I know lost her job. She began with breath in bed, one daily walk, one nightly line. 2 weeks later, small stability, calmer mind. From that, she made a plan, updated her resume, reached out, found part-time work. Each small step helped her hold on and build a new path. Think of these as tools. Like a carpenter's hammer and saw, you can keep a toolkit for heavy days in your mind or a small notebook. When the weight settles, open your toolkit and choose one thing. It won't make the problem vanish, but it will help you hold on. First, a breathe-in phrase. Breathe in calm, breathe out worry, or simply in, out, slow. Look at it when panic rises and repeat. Second, a go-to song. Headphones on, eyes closed. Listen for a few minutes, your instant break. Finally, a 3 small tasks list. Examples: drink a full glass of water, stretch for 2 minutes, put away one piece of clothing, then give yourself permission to only do one. It fights paralysis and proves you can still do something. We have walked this path together. We started with breathing, coming back to our bodies. We honored the break, and we learned to build a small, steady path, one brick at a time. These are not just words, they are actions. A lifeline you can offer yourself when you feel like you are sinking. A way to be kind to yourself when the world feels unkind. So breathe with me one more time. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2, 1. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel your feet on the ground. You are here. You are anchored. From this calmer place, notice one small thing you can do right now. Not later, not tomorrow. Right now. Maybe drink a glass of water. Step outside for a minute. Send a 1-sentence text to someone you trust. You don't have to do it all today. Take care of yourself in this moment. Keep going. You've got this. Remember that your engagement can make a difference. Do not forget to like the video, share the video to boost this video in the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit all on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, and drop down in the comments and tell me your thoughts. I love y'all and ain't nothing you can do about it. Be blessed.